Hello everyone. Welcome to the next tutorial. In today's tutorial, we are going to start chapter number 5, repeat command in Logo. This command is very useful in Logo. Repeat command is used to repeat a set of statements or a group of statements for a given number of times. You know, when we want to draw a shape where we have to type the same commands again and again, we can type those commands only once by using the repeat command. Now let's see how we have to type the repeat command or how we have to use it. Syntax. Syntax means the way or method to write a command. That means the rules or the way how we will type the repeat command. First of all, type repeat in the input box, then give one space. Type number. A number. Number means the number of times that you want to repeat. That it may be 2, it may be 4, 5, 7. How many times you want to repeat the command, type that number in this place of n. Then in square brackets, type the commands. All the commands that you type in this square bracket, they will be automatically executed by the number of time you had given before the bracket in place of this n. N means the number of times to repeat. Let's understand the use of repeat command with the help of an example. Here we are going to draw a square. We type FD100, it will draw a line. Then we give RT90, it will turn the turtle towards right side. Again FD100, it will draw another line, turn RT90. Now the turtle turns towards downwards. FD100, again one line. Then we turn the turtle by using RT90. FD100 draws a line, RT90, it turns the turtle again to the original position. Now here we are drawing a square, but while drawing a square we have to type two commands FD100 and RT90 four times. That means we can type these commands with the help of repeat. See how. First of all, type repeat. Then how many times you want to repeat the statements? 4 times. Type 4. Then in square brackets type FD100 RT90. These two commands will be repeated 4 times automatically. When we type this command in input box and press enter key, a one square will appear on the graphic screen. Easy. That means now we are not typing 8 type commands, all these commands 4 times. We are typing the commands only once by using the repeat command. Let's see another example. For example, here I'm drawing the stairs. First, I type the FD command. It will draw a line. Then I'm turning the turtle towards right side, RT90. Then again I'm drawing a line, FD100. Then I'm turning the turtle not downward but upward. So I'm giving LT90. Now again I'm drawing these two lines again and again 3 times. FD100, it will draw a line upward. Then RT90 turns the turtle. FD100 draws a line. LT90 turns the turtle towards upside. Now again if I give FD command, it will draw a line upside. Then RT90, FD100 draws a line. Then I'm turning the turtle again upward by typing the LT90. Now see, we are repeating 4 commands, FD100, RT90, FD100, LT90. How many times? 3 times. If you want to continue with this pattern, you can draw as many stairs as you want. So here I had drawn 3 stairs, so I am giving the repeat command for drawing these 3 stairs. First, type repeat, then give one space and type the number. That means 3. I want to repeat these 4 commands 3 times. Then in square brackets type FD100, RT90, FD100, LT90. Remember there is one space between this FD100, RT90. After this, all these letters, all these words, there is a space between each command. Okay, when you type this command in input box and press enter key, it will draw these three stairs. That means we are replacing all these commands with only one command. Now let's see the same command, same examples practically. Here I'm typing FD100. It will draw a line. Then I'm drawing the square RT90, FD100, RT90, FD100, RT90, again FD100 and RT90. That means I had typed two commands FD100 and RT90 four times to draw this square. Now I'm drawing this square again with the help of repeat command. See, I'm pen up. I'm turning the turtle so that I can move a little bit further. Then now pen down and turn turtle. Now I'm going to draw a square again. Let's change the color also. I can set pen color with 4. Okay. Now I'm drawing a square with the help of repeat command. See, REPEAT, repeat, space, type 4, again space, square brackets, FD100, RT space 90 and square brackets close and press enter. See, another square has been drawn with the help of repeat command now. Okay, now I'm going to clear the screen. I'm giving you another example. Repeat 3 FD100, RT90, FD100, LT90. Remember our second example? Now I'm drawing the stairs with the help of repeat command. See, I had drawn 3 stairs with a single command. Now I do not have to type those commands again and again. Okay. Let's draw one more pattern. Before that, I want to tell you one more thing. You can also change the color of your pen and of your screen and of your pen size. You can change all these things by using this set menu. Click on this set menu. Click on pen size option. It will increase the width or thickness of your lines. Suppose I am taking this. Click on OK. Now I want to change the color of my screen also. Set screen color. Here you get this dialog box. In this dialog box, few colors have already been given, but you can also make your own new colors by dragging these 3 sliders of red, green and blue. Change it. See, as I am dragging the sliders, it is changing the color. I can make any color by increasing or decreasing the quantities of red, green or blue. If I want to make some purple color, I will increase the quantities of red and blue. Then if I want to have some another color, I will drag again. I can change the color as I want. Click on when you are satisfied with your color, click OK. See, the color of my back screen has been changed. Now I had changed the thickness. Now I want to change the color of my pen. Set pen color is there with which you have to type the color code, but there are a few color codes given. If you want to have some new color, you can again click on set pen color. Again, same dialog box is there. You can change, you can drag the mouse pointer to have as many colors as you want. You can create your own colors. Suppose I had made this color. Now I want to draw a pattern. Okay. Okay, now I'm typing the command. You will see FD100 1. Now I want turtle to come back on the same line. BK 100. It comes to the same position. Now I'm turning the turtle towards right side, not by 90°, now by 60°, as I'm going to draw a pattern. RT 60. Okay. Now I'm going to repeat these three commands again and again. See what pattern will come. FT 100, BK 100, RT 60. Again FD 100, BK 100, RT 60. FD 100, BK 100, RT 60. See, I had drawn a pattern, a new pattern. You can give RT 30 also, you can give RT 45 also, whatever angle you want to give, how many lines you want, you can have as many lines as you want. Suppose I'm changing the color. Suppose now I'm going to draw this pattern with the help of repeat command. See how many times I have to repeat these statements. 1, FD 100, BK 100, then again I have to type all these commands again and again, all these three commands again and again. How many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So I will type, I'm going to clear the screen first of all. Repeat 6. What do we want to repeat? FD 100, BK 100, RT 60. See, only one I have to type the command and the pattern is there. I hope you understand the use of repeat command. Now practice this command at your home and also try to solve the examples given on page number 49. Thank you and take care of yourself.